walked this fairway away from round the ball. It was only bigger than the rupture. Rushed right there under it from Honolulu. Heart attack, then White House surgery. And then a stroke.
It was difficult for me to see how vulnerable he was at that time.
Because he'd always seemed like the invulnerable man.
Correct. I mean, he was Superman to myself and my sister. And to see him in that situation, that hospital bed, was tough. Very tough.
It was sheer cussedness, probably, that pulled him back from the brink.
My cardiologist says the whole thing was due to the 10, 12 years of stress.
Larry spent months of physical therapy to build up his strength to attend Darren Gallus's trial, scheduled for the summer of 2017. But it was delayed yet again. And Darren, during all this time, out and about. This time we found it at Son Austin's soccer game. That's him wearing the black t-shirt, gold chain, and wraparound sunglasses. And in the blue shirt, his wife, Shireen. Larry and his wife.
Hey, wait a minute.
There at the soccer game too.
Is that my tinsel that you guys got out there?
What Larry felt in his chest was more.
I just noticed that. What are you guys getting into?
Someday, I might lose it all.
What is this?
I don't know what I'm going to do. You never know until it happens.
What's this? Who did it?
Then,
Who did it?
a break.
Did you do that, Romeo?
The prosecutor felt he
Romeo, did you do that?
finally and fully eliminated Ryan.
Kat, did you do that?
Now only left Darren.
Somebody did that.
We had done some work over the years that had made the case.
Oh, boy.